Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to snooze suggested posts on Instagram. To do so, firstly, go to Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you may tap on the play button icon which is next to your profile from the right. Once you do that, you can see various reels. Now, you may tap on the three dots which is right above the music icon. Once you tap on that, an expansion opens from the bottom of your screen. From here, you can tap on the Manage Content Preferences, which is located at the bottom. Once you do so, you will reach at the Content Preferences page, where at the bottom you can see the Snooze Suggested Posts in Feed button. You can tap on that button to turn it on. This will hide all the suggested posts in your feed for 30 or more days. This is how you can easily snooze suggested posts on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.